What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So look who done snuck up and came and visit the channel. That's right. It is the Ultima with the 3 T1 D4 10s Rockfoot Fosgate. Yes, sir. So we getting ready to head to the junkyard. Some of you, I don't know, out west may call it the scrap yard. Some of y'all may call it the auto depot. But I'm gonna get these pieces up here replaced. I mean, they're gonna be non-functional, so I'm not really worried about functionality on them. They're just gonna be there for placeholders, and then I'm gonna load up the Drake. What else are they? It's time and niggas won't take it. Hey. Sit out here having this weight. I ain't having this weight. Like the third me go out. Take. Yeah. I don't know, picking it through. I just ain't feeling love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fuck me, don't break, but don't break. My heart, but my heart doesn't break. As soon as I leave, these niggas ain't feelings are written all over their face. Okay, great. I'm in them there. Pulling up the LKQ, so we'll find us a parking place and then we'll get on back there to the back, find what we need. Yeah, man. It's the most organized junkyard that I know of. So I'm looking for the EXT. It's in row L. See right there, you get row L and then it says 2. You can go online and look. So this is car 1, GMC Envoy, and then you got 2, which is the Trailblazer. Yeah, man. So check this one out. And I tell you, if you're always out here at the junkyard on Trailblazers, listen to me very carefully. Grab you one of these relays, because they are, on Trailblazers, they are prone to go out all the time. And what it does, it runs your headlights, both of them. Mine have went out 3 times already. Those relays, they go out all the time. So let's check this one out and see if it got what I need. And ooh, look at those door panels. See, so I'm saying a lot of times people don't come for, you know, interior parts and stuff. A lot of times they don't. This Trailblazer looks nice and fresh, and it does have what I need. Those 2 pieces right there. So I'm gonna grab those 2 pieces off, and the ideal is to get those in mind so I can, oh yeah, and I got to get these lights too. These, because the ideal is to get it in mind and cover up the holes. All right, so I got the first one down. Shout out to Base Junkie 2020. I was giving him a demo and this thing is snapped, and I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to get another one. So, you know, they're plentiful out here again at the junkyard. LKQ. So look at that door. I'm just amazed at how nice this door panel is. I want to get it, but I don't need it right now. So J. Jones Car Audio 1, If this is the color of your TV, let me know. Hit me up. Like I said, I'll get your door panels done for you. Anybody else out there that's got a TV, let me know if you want me to do your door panels. I could just grab these. I pretty much know the spacing on them. The spacing's not very bad. So all you got to do is just attach them to your TV, and we'll work everything out. But yeah, holler at me if you want some door panels. All right, guys. Here's a pro tip. Take all this out because you'll get charged for that. I only want the piece. So take all of these modulators and all of this stuff out because I don't need them. I just need the piece, and that's it. So I'm gonna detach all of this stuff so I don't get charged for it up front. So yeah, because they'll charge you for every single piece of this. All right, so this is what it looks like without all of those other pieces in there. You want to keep the buttons like right here, and then keep these two, or because it looks like that on the. So you definitely want to keep those, but I'll seal this up from the inside so no air get in here. What I'm trying to do, and then the wood and everything, I'm gonna make this to where it doesn't pop out, basically. So because I kind of want to keep an original look, but if this doesn't work, then I'll just slap a piece of wood up there. But I just want to try to be somewhat consistent in my build, so I'll modify all of this and make sure no air leaks is in here from the so all that air will be inside of the cabin for the most part, or do some hellacious hair tricks. Yeah, man. So for the new subscribers to my channel, all that bass you heard, and you don't want to flip through that's all I got in here. It's one BDCP 2500 kinetic battery. Y'all remember them? And an NVS little 4-channel. My audio control matrix is up under there, and that's it. No upgraded alternator. If you go to my channel, you'll see why I haven't upgraded the alternator yet on this 2013. I actually have a Singer alternator, I just haven't done it yet. This thing's been running just fine on stock. So yeah, but we get ready to make some changes to the Altima as soon as I'm done with everything and some of the show season's over. So just get ready for that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We at TB. Gonna go ahead and go and grab this emissions test on this sucker and do a little bit of bassing real quick. So
I turn my speakers up and then I just start swinging. Sometimes yes.
Oh man, USB. Dang. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Been having problems, so I may end up having to go behind the radio and do a different option, because I've been having issues with the USB popping out, as normally everybody does, and that's why most people do Bluetooth. So
top of the how it make me feel. Here we go. Rock the top and then you go.
right now I'm only playing 2/3 of my max volume. So I've got it on 25, well 26 I think. Let's see. Yeah, 25. 38 is my max volume, so you do the math. 2/3. So it sounded pretty good. Wired down a half ohm. So yeah, let's take another listen.
Wait, slow, loud and bang. Don't know where I'm going, but just get me out of here. Yeah, slow, loud and bang. Money don't make you bulletproof from stress. Someday you gotta get bad news to press, but even winners gotta find new success. Meditate.
That sound so much deeper and richer bass since I kind of closed in that seal section. Man, wait till y'all hear this thing. I'm only gonna be able to play it 2/3 at the show, because I'm gonna play it until I feel like the spiders and everything are broke in. So I'm getting as much excursion as I possibly can. So, but I still will give demos. But since I sealed in that seal section a little bit more, cut some of that cubic feet out, like Trailblazing Bass 420 said it'd be a lot deeper, like richer, and it really is, man. Like seriously, this thing sounds really good. I mean, it sounds really good. I'm highly impressed right now, man. I got heads turning, dog. You know, you hit like when you get the heads turning, right? You be looking around, seeing who listening to you, and you be like, all right, who hit me? Yeah, that's me. I still do that. Make sure you hit me up at the Knoxville Excess Power Knoxville show, Saturday, July the 10th. Make sure you hit me up. Again, this is only going to be 2/3 at volume. Can't really do, and I'm not going to do full tilt demos. But 2/3, man, it's gonna sound good. I'm not lying to you. This thing sounds good. So hit me up. I'm gonna go and get this emission test done. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Please hit that like button. Please hit that like button. Hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Peace out. Like I said, I'm not doing full tilt demos right now. I just put those in, so they still got a break-in period. But I'll give you something though. All right.
If you're real, then you should know Camille. If you don't, then you should get a coat, because a cold shoulder is the coldest feel. What I'm repping written on my place. This type of weapon isn't on my waist, but I can see you ain't got a clue, so be a good detective.
on 2/3 volume right
That's
now.
what's up.
Once I get those suckers broke in, man,
Oh,
it's gonna be great.
Oh, it's jumping now. That's for sure.
Yep, we pull over and get demos. Yeah, man.